maybe the weather outside isn't very good, or you don't want to exercise outside or ride on a bike or run, and you in your hotel maybe traveling. Here's a series of cardio exercises, 5 exercises. I do each exercise for 1 minute, repeat it twice. We're going to start with running in place. Couple key here is, can you land softly? And you can vary from fast feet to high knees, and you're going to do this for 1 minute and then switch exercises. So high knees or fast feet or a combination is called running in place. Number 2 is called a soft touch. You're going to the right, down and to the left. Right, down and to the left. The lower you go, the farther you go, the harder this is. Maybe you're just right here. Maybe you're deep. Gets your heart rate going. Gets that flexibility in your hips. You're squatting down, going laterally. 1 minute, then next exercise. The third exercise, this is called Elvis. You're staggering your feet and you're twisting. 30 seconds each side. So we're going with our right leg back. Can we twist? Keep our chest high. Switch sides. 30 seconds each way. Another 30 seconds on this side. Chest high. Shoulders back. The lower you go, the harder it is. Fourth is just a wide squat. Our feet are a little wider than shoulder width. Our butt goes back. And then we row coming up. Down and up. And we're doing this from a cardio standpoint, so we're increasing our speed. 1 minute, under control. And then we'll end with the hardest. It's called a jumping lunge. This is where I want you to begin, right here. Can you be soft, under control? The lower you go, the bigger the jump, the harder this is. The hardest for last. 1 minute, under control. And this is your body weight cardio. You can do this anywhere. What I found is 5 minutes, 1 minute for each exercise. Repeat it twice. Enjoy.